Hey guys, so doing an intake manifold on this Honda. Got those intake ports blocked off and got a new manifold. Got the only good injector plate I could find, but I don't have a feeler gauge and it's kind of hard to tell if you got a good enough seal because the old one warped. This guy warped from heat, overheated. So, how do you know if it's going to squeeze through and cause an issue? Well, I got an idea. This is great, by the way, Icon Harbor Freight. This is your old intake manifold gasket. This is the old one, but the new one will be just like it. It's going to be just like that. Stick it in. If you can't get it in there, it means you're good. Have a good day, y'all.